Hey guys, what's up? Today we're back at Tommy's and today we're going to be diagnosing a Toyota Rav4 that is losing all of its power steering and will not charge. So let's go ahead and jump in and try and figure out what's going on. Alright, so we applied some charge to it because the customer complaint was that they were not able to use power steering and it kept dying on them. So we gave it a little bit of a charge and now it's able to crank over without any issues and power steering is there. So we're going to go ahead and jump in and figure out if the alternator needs to be replaced or if it's the battery itself.
So today we're going to try to diagnose a charging system issue on my friend's Rav4 here. So let's go on over here to the spiffy new little battery tester dude I got. So.
Snap-on electrical system diagnostics.
It talks to us.
Yeah. It thinks it's special. So we're having issues with this losing all power and power steering, which is electronically controlled. So we're going to start with a battery test. Because obviously, if the battery's dead, we're not going to get very far. Black goes negative, red goes positive. Pretty sure most of you know that.
Unless you want a nice spark show.
That's always fun. Alright, it's going to ask me a million questions now. It's 575. And we'll let it do the work for us.
And we'll cut back to when it shows the results. So after we had charged it a bit, these are the results.
So we're going to charge it a bit longer. Make sure it's fully charged. That way we get no wrong damn word I'm looking for.
Readings.
Readings, there we go. Alright, we'll check these bad boys off. These bad boys off. Should we make these a little longer? There. Next. Test the battery some more before it starts charging.
And we'll cut back to when the battery is fully charged and then we can test some more. Alright, so we went ahead and it started charging. And it's telling us about 50 minutes, if it'll focus. So we'll cut back in about 50 minutes to see what this does, and then we'll go ahead and test the alternator and see if that's the issue or if the battery just isn't holding the charge. Alright, so it has finished charging.
Alright, let's figure out how to actually test the alternator now. I just got this machine yesterday, so bear with me. System test. So that one. These bad boys up. And please. Top post, motive, regular. Cranking down, 175. It remembered everything. the battery is good. Now, start the engine. Normal. Next, checking for alternator output. All loads should be up. So this is going to test the alternator with no loads on. Engine idle, go to next. Okay.
I means low model and idle.
Now that it's loaded, see if the alternator actually drops at all. Analyzing charging system data. Now this is more or less the same test you do when you go to any shop, O'Reilly's, AutoZone. So I just happen to have this equipment here at home. And diode short. So that's telling me that the alternator has failed. Especially when loaded, it's not able to produce enough amperage or voltage to keep the system running properly and keep the battery charged at the same time. So we're going to have to change the alternator in this bad boy.
Alright guys, so stay tuned and we should go ahead and get that alternator swapped out.